Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I do a lot of tech reviews as well as unboxing, and if that is something that interests you, do consider subscribing to this channel. Leave a thumbs up on this video as well as share it to your friends. And with that said, let's get on with the review, and thanks for watching. The device comes in a compact white box, clear and essential. A beautiful minimal packaging design. The Chinese company launched the 𝐆𝐞 charger that had dual USB ports for charging two devices simultaneously. The car charger also comes with a metallic finish and has 18 watts charging support with a total max output of 3.6 ampere. Xiaomi has provided a dual-port intelligent distribution feature that is designed to provide appropriate power to each connected device. The dual-port intelligent distribution feature is claimed to intelligently distribute power to each device using a built-in chip that controls its own temperature, even when operating at high currents. The charger also has an IC chip with 5-fold circuit protection that is touted to offer overcurrent protection, short-circuit protection, and overvoltage protection. It also protects against electromagnetic interference and overheats. Furthermore, there is a moonlight white LED indicator.